Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro, where today we're breaking down the 5 best free image editor for Windows 10 to help you find the perfect tool for your creative workflow. In this video, I'll be walking you through each app, its features, and its interface, so you can pick the right one with confidence. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have GIMP, a powerful and fully free image editor built for creators who want high-end tools without the price tag. With a solid 4.6 out of 5 rating and over 111 reviews on the Microsoft Store, this app focuses on advanced image manipulation, graphic design, and photo retouching. It's community-driven, highly customizable, and built to support everything from quick edits to full production workflows. Here are 3 standout features. Extensive image editing tools. Gives you full creative control for retouching, enhancing, and transforming images. Plugin and extension support lets you add new capabilities and tailor the app to your exact workflow. Advanced scripting interface automates repetitive tasks and enables batch processing for faster work. Shifting into the interface, once you open a canvas, GIMP lays out a workspace packed with tools on both sides, giving you immediate access to brushes, layers, and panels. At the top left, the File option lets you open, save, or export your projects. Right beside it, options like Edit and View help you adjust settings, switch layouts, and control what you see while working. And at the bottom on both sides, you'll find small settings panels that let you fine-tune tools, tweak properties, and refine details as you create. That's GIMP in the number 5 spot. Feature-rich, flexible, and ready for serious creativity. At number 4 on our list, we have PicsArt AI Photo Editor, a popular all-in-one editing app built for quick creation and modern design. With a 3.4 out of 5 rating and over 17,000 reviews on the Microsoft Store, this app focuses on fast photo editing, AI-powered enhancements, and creative tools that help anyone produce standout visuals. Here are 3 standout features. Elevate your content with quick photo adjustment. Instantly fine-tunes exposure, color, and clarity to upgrade any image. Transform your design with exciting elements. Add stickers, overlays, and graphics to boost creativity with just a tap. Swap basic backgrounds with AI, removes and replaces backgrounds automatically for clean, professional results. Now shifting into the interface. The homepage starts with the Start Editing button, where you can upload a file and jump straight into your workspace. Moving into templates, you'll find ready-made designs for posters, social posts, banners, and more, all customizable. The Feed section shows community creations, giving you ideas and inspiration from other users. Inside the AI apps area, you'll see tools like AI background change, AI filters, and quick enhancements that automate complex edits. And finally, the My Projects tab keeps all your saved work in one place, letting you reopen, adjust, or finish any design at any time. That's PicsArt AI Photo Editor at number 4. Creative, simple, and powered by AI to help you build visuals fast. At number 3 on our list, we have Photoscape X, a highly trusted photo editor that focuses on fast, simple, and creative editing. With a strong 4.3 out of 5 rating and over 998 reviews on the Microsoft Store, this app is built for users who want quick adjustments, stylish effects, and a clean workspace without any complexity. Here are 3 standout features. The easiest and fastest editor tools. Streamlines your workflow so you can make polished edits in seconds. Color gives you strong color correction options to enhance vibrance, balance tones, and shape your overall look. Film light and frame adds cinematic lighting and clean frames to give your photos a professional finish. Now shifting into the interface, the homepage opens with a wide collection of AI tools, neatly arranged to help you jump into resizing, background removal, color fixes, and more. On the left sidebar, you'll find essential tools laid out clearly, making navigation simple and consistent. Up in the top menu, the Viewer tab lets you browse through your images before editing. Right beside it, you'll see Editor, Cutout, and several other tools, each guiding you toward different types of edits with minimal effort. And in the top left corner, the settings icon gives you access to preferences, updates, and general adjustments for the app. That's Photoscape X at number 3, fast, friendly, and packed with features that help your photos shine. At number 2 on our list, we have Photor, photo editor and design, often called the light Photoshop, with a 4.0 out of 5 rating and over 118 reviews on the Microsoft Store. This app is built for fast, high-quality editing, with tools that help you enhance photos, retouch portraits, remove objects, and work with powerful effects, filters, and creative templates. Here are 3 standout features. Top enhancement and beautification quickly improves lighting, tone, and skin detail with one-tap enhancements. Click to remove and change background. Lets you erase unwanted elements or replace backgrounds instantly using AI. Distortion adjustment fixes warped lines, lens distortion, and perspective issues with simple correction tools. Now shifting into the interface, the photo editing options appear first, showing sliders for exposure, color balance, contrast, and sharpening. As you scroll down, the AI tool section becomes visible, offering automated background removal, AI retouch, object erasing, and smart enhancement features. The Templates tab gives you access to posters, social media layouts, collages, YouTube covers, and tons of ready-made designs. The 3 horizontal lines at the top open the main menu for settings, account details, and additional creative resources. And whenever you need to start fresh, the Home button instantly takes you back to the main dashboard. That's Photor at number 2, simple, smart, and designed to elevate every photo with ease. At number 1 on our list, we have PhotoMind, a full-featured digital painting and editing app built for artists, designers, and anyone who loves to draw. With an impressive 4.7 out of 5 rating and over 3,000 reviews on the Microsoft Store, this app is designed for creating illustrations, editing photos, and working with a huge range of professional file formats. Here are 3 standout features. Advanced Painting Tools offers smoothing, layering, blending, mirroring, and more for detailed artwork. Wide file format support works seamlessly with PSD, GIMP, Krita, RAW images, and dozens of other formats. Powerful editing controls includes cropping, scaling, metadata editing, filters, and HDR adjustments for full creative flexibility. Now shifting into the interface, you'll first see the open workspace, a clean canvas with your tools arranged for easy access. In the canvas area, the File option lets you open, save, or import different file types quickly. On the left sidebar, the Shapes tools appear, giving you access to freehand brushes, lines, rectangles, ellipses, and more. On the right sidebar, you'll find additional settings for layers, color mixing, properties, and other advanced adjustments. And at the very top of the screen, the File, Edit, and View options provide full control over your workflow, navigation, and document setup. That's PhotoMind at number 1. Powerful, flexible, and built for creators who want a full digital studio without paying a subscription. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.